loosen the front upper two screws here. Okay, and then loosen the rear upper two screws here. Then take the upper cover. Here is the main board. So let's take out the main board here. There's one screw. Let's loosen it. Okay, we will take out this main board first. Okay, and okay, please take it carefully, and then we'll take out this VGA cable. We just it's out, and then you use the new main board like this. Then we put back this. You can see here is 3 ports, 1, 2, 3. So we should use this one to here. Okay, put properly and then press. Okay, now we need to have the screw. Tighten the screws. Okay, we have the cable collected here, the VGA cable. Okay, then you have the cover back here.